To start, you can see icon SAP Logon on desktop. You double-click this icon to go to the system. Now you select Environment, be text chain and press Enter. In this screen, you input your username and password and press Enter to log in the system. There are two ways to enter this function. The first way is to input transaction code FKKORD1 here and press Enter. Another way is to select in menu bar. You go under File Tax Recovery, then find 5.1 Create, Edit, Request. Now you double-click Create, Edit, Request. First, you have to choose one of four request types. Data migration type is used when migrating data of old tax system to Bangladesh income tax system. Interest is used when inputting interest order under 72 and other sections, if any. Penalty is used when inputting penalty order under sections 123, 124, and so on. Surcharge is used when inputting surcharge under section 16A. For example, I create request for data migration type. Now you could click Create to continue. You can edit some fields in header data if you want. Document date is set as the current date in default, but you can change it. It is the date on supporting documents. Posting date is set as the current date in default, but you can change it. It is the date when entry is posted to taxpayer's ledger. Currency is set as BDT in default, but you can choose another in list. Then you can input more than one transaction. There are 6 fields required for each transaction. You can input or search business partner from list. You can input or choose an assessment year from list. There are 3 ways to input this value. First, you can input directly value here. Secondly, you click this square icon to display list and select one value in list. And the last, you press shortcut keyboard F4 to display list and select one value in list. Amount is used for inputting amount of tax. Net due date is used for inputting due date of each tax amount. You can input or choose a type of taxpayer in list. You can input or choose a type of payment in list. After that, you click Save button to save request. When request is saved successfully, the request number is created automatically. I suggest you should save this number by any Office tool for after functions. To view request created, you can click Display. Now you can see all information related to the request. Now you use function Create documents from request to post request to taxpayer's ledger. There are 2 ways to enter this function. The first way is to input transaction code FKKORDM here and press Enter. Another way is to select in menu bar. You go under File Tax Recovery, then find 5.2 Create Document from Request. Now you double-click Create Documents from Request. You input posting date into field, date ID, and a unique name into identification. Next, you press Enter to continue. There are two information tabs, General Selections and Selection Request. In General Selections, you can input more than one business partner to run programs for mass taxpayers. And here you input your circle code. If you do not input any information into Selection Request, the system will post all requests related to taxpayers in General Selections tab. Otherwise, if you input request into Selection Request tab, the system just posts these requests to taxpayers' ledger only. You click Save button to save running conditions. Then you click Schedule Program Run, and the system displays two options. Background Immediate means posting request immediately. Background Scheduled means posting request at a specific date and time in the future, and here I select Background Immediate. Now you click Refresh in Run Status tab until Program Run turns from currently running to complete. If you want to check request posted, you find the in function FMCACOV. There are two ways to enter this function. The first way is to input transaction code FMCACOV here and press Enter. Another way is to select in menu bar. You go under 9 Report, then go under 9.1 Detail Report and find 9.1.1 Business Partner Overview. Now you double-click Business Partner Overview. In this screen, you input one business partner and press Enter. And now you can see the detail of requests posted in this business partner.